Hi everyone, my name is Alyeza Serebo. Today we're going to cook creamy mixed vegetables. Let's boil a water for our quail eggs. Mince the garlic. You can also put onions if you like. Adding hot dog is optional, but give it a try. It's so good. I am cutting the ham here into little squares. This is our main ingredient. You can use butter or oil, whatever you want. I add a little bit of sesame oil to add extra flavor. I accidentally spilled some of the ham in the table here. I was so damp. You can add extra butter if you want before adding the garlic. You can add mixed vegetable if you already smell the aroma of the garlic. You can use all-purpose cream, but you can also use evaporated milk. Of course, add salt and pepper to taste. Then finally, add the boiled quail eggs. Simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes and it's ready to serve.